everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails, beauty, and business. So before we get started, I hope you guys like the new intro. If you've seen my old one, I really hope you like the new one. I spent a long time making it and I think it came out really nice, so I'm very happy with it. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a nail art tutorial. I haven't done one of these in so long, so today I'm going to be sharing 4 beautiful Easter designs with you, but they are very minimal and elegant because I know I usually do a lot of kind of fun, colorful nail art, but this year, since I do have a lot of those tutorials already, I decided to do something a little bit different because I know a lot of color and kind of cartoon designs aren't everyone's cup of tea, so I decided to put together some more simple designs, and I hope you like them. So let's get started with the first design. For today's designs, you'll need a white nail polish, a metallic nail polish of your choice. I'm using this kind of copper color, and a bunch of other colors. Today I'm using this pretty pink, a nice beige kind of light coconut color, a natural nail polish, and a light green, but you can use any colors you want. So this first design is very, very simple. All you'll need is just a base color. I chose this nice pink. And then with whatever metallic polish you have, you'll make just as many dots as you can fit on the side of your nail. You could do a whole manicure of this for a really simple, cute look, or you could do this on an accent nail. It's great and very simple. This next one is a doodle Easter egg nail design, so this may take a little bit more work. If you want to do this as a full manicure, that'd be really cool, or you could just do one nail. So I used a detailing nail art brush and a white polish over any color base. It doesn't matter what color, but I chose this blue. And you just want to create very simple designs. Just think of the kind of patterns you'd see on an Easter egg and just doodle, just have fun. This doesn't have to be perfect at all. You can kind of make it look very messy and imperfect like you would see on an egg, and it's great. The next design is a floral French tip. I think I did a design like this before, but you'll want to start with a natural nail polish like this just to give your nail a nice natural shiny finish. Then take a white polish and create some flowers on the end of your nail. And if you have shorter nails, you might not be able to fit as many flowers, but just do your best. So I was able to fit about 3, and you want to make these kind of go off the edge of your nail for a more finished look. Then you'll take whatever metallic polish you're using and just put a dot in the center of those dots, and you can add some leaves if you want. I did that with just a few streaks of polish. This is my favorite design from the whole guide. I think it's so cute and very, very chic. Our final design for today is some pastel stripes. This one's really pretty as well. So you'll start with just a simple base. This can be kind of a more neutral color so the pastel stripes pop more. I chose a pink, a green, and a blue, and I just took a detailing nail art brush, but you could use a toothpick, dotting tool, a bobby pin, whatever you have on hand, and just create some imperfect stripes. Once again, if you can't get a design perfect, it doesn't matter. You're just trying to put some fun color and fun designs on your nails, so nothing has to be perfect because none of us are perfect when it comes to nail art. So it's really fun just to make it look kind of doodled and just kind of squiggly. However you want to do this, it looks so cute, and this would look great as an accent nail or as a full manicure. So you'll want to finish any of these designs off with a beautiful glossy top coat or a matte top coat for another look. I think that would be very cool. So you can wear these designs all together in a manicure like this, or you could use one as an accent nail. You could do a full manicure of just one, whatever you want. It would be really cute. So if you decide to recreate any of these designs for your Easter manicure, please show me on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo. I'd love to see. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe and healthy, and I hope you have a very, very happy Easter. It's one of my favorite holidays, so I was very excited to put together this nail art tutorial for you guys. And yeah, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!